Okay, so it ends up I'm touring the Muslim area. Okay, this is the first mosque in sub-Saharan Africa. Let's see what it is. Alright. So the 5 pillars of Islam are represented by the palm trees in front of the mosque. Alright. And can I say, okay, the 5 pillars of Islam are going to Mecca, praying 5 times a day, be good to faithful to the faith, okay. Charity. And one more, right?
And go to Mecca on a pilgrimage.
Okay.
From whether it was Indonesian, whatever reason they came from.
They look happy.
A little bit of the British influence coming in here, if you have a look. And then also the different headgear from the different, with say, blacksmiths. Those were the trades that were brought in. And then remember I spoke to you about Tuan Guru? Tuan Guru at the first mosque.
I scream with the music, no matter where you go in the world, you got this. Original robes from hundreds of years back. This is the original roads, what they look like. Barber. Boat Camp area. Main Street.
Okay. We just need to be careful when we cross the road, and then I'll take a little This is your last opportunity.
And this is the local market, church.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, the skirts are beautiful.
So this yellow building,
That used to be a townhouse?
yes. So officially was built in 17th century by the Dutch. If you look on top, you'll see there's a red shirt with a three-cornered circle. That used to be the symbol of the Dutch.
Of the Dutch.
And then we are calling now the symbol of Cape Town. So in Cape Town, when the slaves get abolished, it was on 1st December 1834. So the announcement was made in this building. But the slaves did become something before we can go to. Do you know our South African
That was a
national
fountain?
flower?
A water fountain?
Used to bring the fresh water underground from 1696. That supplied the rest of the market. Oh, sorry, but
to say that's Art Deco, yeah.
We're just looking the first one, we see the year of 1930.
Ah,
so
yes.
still used today as a commercial building.
And you say the slavery was abolished in 1838?
Yes, they become free in 1838, but the announcement was.
Only in September.
September, we have many fruits here in September.
Now, do they open up or do they stay that way?
Open itself.
Right, it'll get bigger than that.
Yes, for example, you can see. It's
Right,
gonna
that
open
one's
itself
tiny.
Until it lasts for.
Protea, national flower of South Africa. Flowers galore. This is called the Queen?
Yes.
And this is the, oh yeah.
It's not hard inside, it's very soft inside.
Wow. So that's how they start off.
Yes. Defense Force. As you can go out inside of the building there, we'll see the castle of the hall.
Another market in front of the city hall.